We Java programmers use the construct to initialize variables. When the object is created, a construct is executed first. The name of the constructor is the same as the class name. The constructor has no explicit return type. The class can have any constructors. The constructor has no parameter. In this case, it is to initialize nothing. The other constructor is to initialize the number variable as the argument of the int type. That means to be used to set initialized value for object attributes. For example, the argument num is 5, the value number of the object is 5. Also, you can see this keyword in this constructor. The word refers to current object in the method of a constructor. The current object means that constructor or method is being called. The word can be used to be a reference to any member of the current object from within an instance method or constructor. Java constructor can be used to assign object attributes. It is invoked at the time of object creation. There is no explicit return type in a Java constructor. How do you like it? We must set the name of the constructor as a class name. We don't need to define as a return type in the constructor. Have fun. Bye for now.